Let's take outside. It is going to feel cooler and cooler as we head through the night, and a much cooler beginning to tomorrow morning than what we had this morning. Our lows this morning were in the mid 70s. We think we're going to have a lot of 50s tomorrow morning. Quite the 24-hour temperature change when you get up and out the door tomorrow morning. Clear skies over us now. We, of course, had a dry cold front move through earlier. Not dry for everyone, but dry for us here in central Texas. There's some clouds along it now and even a little bit of rain. Not near us, of course. We did have some scattered clouds with the front, but now that front has moved along. And in its place, drier and cooler air taking over. We're at 78 now in Austin. There's 60s and 50s to the north of us. South of the front, more in the way of 80s. But it's the dew point, the humidity, where you can really see where the front is if we turn on the dew point layer of our maps instead. Ahead of the front, dew points well in the 70s, very humid air. Behind the front, dew points in the 40s, 30s, and 20s, very dry air. And the drier the air is, the cooler we can get at night. And that's why we think we're going to be in for a very cool morning here tomorrow. And that's going to stick around for a dry, comfy day with the dew point way down in the 50s, even 40s here tomorrow. But then tomorrow night, the humidity starts to come back with a warm front, and then it turns muggy to humid as we get into the day here on Thursday and Friday and into at least part of Saturday before a cold front comes in Saturday and knocks the humidity down a little bit for Sunday. Now, that cold front will come with a chance of rain, a decent chance of rain before and as that front arrives. But first, let me take you through your Wednesday, which starts with just a few scattered clouds. We'll get a lot of sun and a less than 10% rain chance here tomorrow. And then as the humidity surges back, we'll notice way more clouds Thursday morning. So a grayer start to the day, but that will give way to more sun for the afternoon and a hotter day, but still humid, and a tiny less than 10% rain chance that day as well. And then as we get into Friday, we think Friday's the day you've got a pretty decent rain chance. Not so much in the morning. A lot of clouds and a few spotty showers in the morning. But as we get into the afternoon, the rain coverage is only going to go up. And Friday night into Saturday morning looking particularly wet. So our day tomorrow, sun, scattered clouds, 87. More clouds tomorrow night as a warm front brings the return of humidity and warmer air, 64 for your low. And then we'll be back up to 90 here Thursday. This could be our last 90 for quite some time. Then we go into Friday and things getting increasingly wet through the day. But the wettest weather holds off until the evening and nighttime. Some heavy rain, some thunderstorms overnight, even into Saturday morning. It could be a pretty stormy start to Saturday. And then the rain gradually tapers off to just a few showers in the afternoon and evening, with drier weather taking over as we get into Sunday and into early next week. Already a low 1 out of 4 flash flooding threat from late Friday into early Saturday. Right now we're thinking most areas end up with 1 to 2 inches of rain Friday plus Saturday. There could be some isolated 2 to 4 inch amounts as well. Most of this will be fairly easily soaked into our dry ground, but some excess heavy rain is not out of the question that could give way to some very localized flash flooding. By Sunday, the sun is out mid 80s. Monday, sun, scattered clouds, 87. And our next mini chance of rain next Tuesday.